In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a resume in Canva. Whether you're applying for your first job or just looking to update your current resume, this guide will help you create a professional and eye-catching document in no time. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. To begin with, we'll head over to Canva's website. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a fantastic tool for creating a wide variety of designs, from social media posts to presentations and of course resumes. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice a search bar right at the top. Go ahead and type the word resume in that search bar. As you hit enter, you'll be greeted by a plethora of resume templates to choose from. These templates range in styles from sleek and modern to more traditional layouts. So take a moment to browse through the options and select one that best fits your personal style or the type of job you're applying for. Remember, your resume is often the first impression a potential employer will get of you, so make sure it reflects both your personality and professionalism. Once you've found a template you like, it's time to move forward. You'll see an option called Customize this template. Click on it and this will take you to the Canva design editor where you can begin to truly make this resume your own. Now you're in the editing phase, which is where you'll spend most of your time perfecting your resume. Start by editing the text fields in the template. You'll want to replace the placeholder text with your actual details. This includes your name, contact information, and any sections that are relevant to your experience like education, work history, and skills. It's important to be concise but thorough. Use bullet points for clarity and ensure you're using a clean font that is easy to read. Consider personalizing the colors and fonts to better align with your personal brand, but be mindful of readability and professionalism. Canva makes it easy to change these elements by offering a wide array of color palettes and font styles. Once you're happy with the content and look of your resume, take a moment to review all the information. Attention to detail is crucial. Check for spelling errors, ensure your contact details are correct, and confirm the consistency of the formatting throughout the document. When you've made all your edits and you're satisfied with the final result, it's time to save and download your resume. Canva offers a variety of downloading options. A PDF is usually best for sharing with employers. Simply click on the download button located at the top right corner of the editor, choose your preferred file type, and in seconds you'll have a polished, professional resume ready to share with the world. And there you have it. You've just created a standout resume in Canva, all within a matter of minutes. Thanks for watching and good luck on your job search.